In this video, I'm going to be explaining what is dropshipping. This is probably something that you've been hearing all over the internet, and in this video, I want to be breaking down the methods for you to follow along with me as we discuss what is dropshipping, how can you get started with dropshipping, is dropshipping a profitable business module for you to follow, and what you can expect from dropshipping just in general. Bear with me here. For some reason my screen has gone all black. I'll try and fix that real fast, and it erased my drawing. Stay tuned though. Don't let this distract you from the fact that I'm going to be breaking it down for you in the simplest steps for you to start. It's okay, I don't mind starting off from scratch. So I want to draw you a picture because I feel like visuals is the best way for people to learn. Unless you're audio learner, then just put your headphones in and listen to the sound of my voice. So what is dropshipping? Let's draw the first circle. Okay, so this is the wholesaler of where we will, let me just draw a W here, wholesale. Now wholesale, this is where we come in. This is going to be me and you right here. FYI, I can't draw. Don't let that distract you from what I'm trying to teach you. It's very important. So that's us right here. That's us as the wholesaler. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to spend, pretend that's a $. That's another $. That's another $. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to spend money with this wholesaler, and then when we get a product that someone wants to buy, we're going to come over here. We're going to sell this for retail price. Now the difference between wholesale and retail is wholesale is the price that we buy it for. We buy it for obviously low. Now once we buy it for a low price, we get a let me draw another person here. Alright, so this person here is going to be our customer, and when a customer sees something that we want to buy and they're interested in it, we're going to sell it at retail price, meaning that we're going to double, possibly triple our money depending on the preference of what we're selling. And once we do that, we're going to get the customer, let me draw a C here so you don't get confused. The customer will buy it at retail price for the money that we made for selling it at retail. And then once we get this money, we're going to go back in and we're going to rinse and repeat. So the module is us right here. We spend money for a product that we buy at wholesale price. Remember, that is the lower price. We put it out for the retail price right here. We double the profit margin normally. A customer sees it, they're interested in it, they buy it at retail price. We get the money, we keep that money, and then down here we're gonna call this, we're gonna put an S that stands for shipping, not shit, shipping. And we're going to use this money just a little bit, not too much money. If you sell it at the right retail price, this should cover the balance so that you have enough money to buy it at wholesale price and also have enough money to ship it. But you're also going to keep enough money where you remain profitable. And then once we're going to ship it to the customer, and the customer will be happy, we'll be happy, everybody wins, and we continue this business module for however long we decide. So now you're thinking, well, all this sounds good, but where do I get started? How do I get started? Let me show you two websites that you probably hear about a lot. Now, the first website I'm going to show you is one that we all know if you're living in the United States or if you're living across the world, Amazon. Amazon, over